6 amazing health benefits of grapes that can prevent diseases. Number 1. Grapes can prevent heart disease. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating grapes can reduce the risk of heart disease by 23%. The study participants who consumed the most grapes had a significantly lower risk of developing heart disease than those who consumed the least. No. 2 grapes can prevent cancer. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that grapeseed extract can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. The researchers concluded that grapes may play a role in reducing the risk of cancer. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating grapes can help improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, which is important for preventing type 2 diabetes. 3. Grapes can prevent diabetes. 4. Grapes can prevent obesity. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that grape juice consumption was associated with a reduced risk of obesity. The researchers concluded that incorporating grapes into your diet may be a simple and effective way to reduce the risk of age-related diseases. The participants who drank grape juice regularly had a lower body mass index, waist circumference, and fat mass than those who did not, and cognitive function in people with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. 5. Grapes can prevent dementia. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that grape extract can improve memory. And no. 6 grapes can prevent premature aging. A study published in the journal Aging Cell found that eating grapes can help reduce the age of your cells.